Hi, I'm Brock Gunter, coordinator and instructor in automotive technology at Idaho State University. Students can actually get 3 degrees. We offer an advanced technical certificate and then an associate's, and then students, if they wish, can move on to get a bachelor's of applied science. We cover everything bumper to bumper, engines, transmissions, brakes, steering, suspension. Kind of one of our main focuses now is electrical. We're even starting to get into a lot of hybrid and electric vehicle training. Right now, there's a huge demand for trained automotive technicians. And so, we even here locally, weekly, we get shops calling us looking for techs. And so the job outlook's great. We're gonna teach you the basics and, we can move on from them, but, the sky's the limit. We actually had a student just a couple years ago, moved on, and he's actually working for the Honda race team. Now he's on track to work for the IndyCar series. If you're looking, you love cars, we'd love to further your education.